sporting the PJs because it's quarantine and I like to be cozy. Gemini life. Anyways, it's another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter, where we put our Ipsy Glambag Pluses up against each other. So this over here is my beautiful daughter, Hailey, who is an essential worker. So shout out, thank you, and we really appreciate you because she gives us food. She gives food to everybody. So anyways, like I said, this is where we put our Ipsy Glambag Plus, which is a $25 a month box plus tax, up against each other. You guys have seen an individual unboxing for mine up against my glam bag, and that way you guys got to see which one was the better deal, the $12 bag or the $25 bag. That'll probably be at the end of this video. I'll have a thumbnail pop up, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Do you guys do that? Do you guys stay in your PJs all day if you can, and then switch over to...
As soon as I get home, my pajamas on.
Yeah, that's good. Obviously, I didn't go anywhere today. Okay, you start out because...
I got some extra
she always does add-ons.
Because I think that I'm bougie until I'm broke. So, the first one I got, I think this one was 18.
Each?
Well, no, for the two.
Oh, I was gonna
12.
say, because like one is 18.
So yeah, okay, so then it was for two. So I got two of the Dosa Colors Knock On, or wait, liquid lipsticks, and one is in the shade Knock On Wood, and one is in the shade Supernatural.
They're really pretty. I love Dosa Colors lipsticks. They're so comfortable.
Yes.
It is hot. I'm like sweating.
Wow, they look the same, but like, just because the packaging is
it looks so KKW. Show the colors. We're over here oohing and ahhing, nobody knows.
I'm excited.
Perfect nude shades. Hold on.
You can swatch them if you want.
No, it's okay. So this one is called Supernatural. Oh, it's like the lighter of the two, and this one is the Knock On Wood, the darker shade, but perfect nude shades.
And then I also got this for $12. It's the Martian. Oh, that's how you spell Martian? Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. It intensely
it's a toner.
Yeah, intensely transforms with a cooling gel to a water toner. As it clarifies, removes oils, tightens the appearance of pores for clearer, cleaner skin. And it's for oily, blemish-prone skin, but I'm only gonna use it in my like
T-zone.
Oily,
oily
area. Thank you for my English.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we do get a card, and it is the full bloom April 2020, and then inside the card does have each item as well as how much each item is valued at.
You gonna go first? Oh my gosh! Did you pick this too?
I did not. Now I remember what I picked now. I picked this item. So we both got the Foxy Bay Flamingo Leave-In Cream Conditioner. I have not tried this out yet. Does it smell good? Oh, it does. Ooh, that smells really good. Right now I'm using the Guy Tang stuff, so...
I may or may not have light in my hair, so you cannot even tell. Can you even tell my hair?
A little bit, yeah.
It looks light brown to me.
It's going through a process right now.
Yeah, slowly but surely.
Oh,
so
wait.
I need this.
So this has a retail value of $18.95. Hair looking dry and dull. This baby will shine things up without any greasiness. Made with biotin, and this leave-in conditioner treatment tames frizz, detangles, moisturizes, and helps hair grow long and strong.
It says it has vitamin E and it helps stimulate the hair growth.
Where do you see E? I see B.
I said B. I may have said E. Sorry.
I think you said E. Okay. What's your next item? So that's the one you picked. Okay.
Did you get the blush one?
Yeah, I got the highlighter one, which I have on today. It's pretty. This is what?
Oh, this is not eyeshadow.
Oh, okay. So this is the Shayna B Miami, and it is a highlighter. It's two highlighters up here and two blushers down here. And like I said, I have this on today, and it has a retail value of $20. I feel like that's really inexpensive.
Did we say that the conditioner has a retail value of $18.95?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I didn't hear it. I also got something from Shayna B, but I got the Miami Mini Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like inside. It retails for $20.
No, you can show it, just not blinding the mirror.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I forgot. I didn't know there was a mirror in there.
Ooh, those are pretty. Those are so foily looking.
You almost just hit me in the face with that.
Sorry, here. How much is that?
20.
So this was the item I picked. I don't remember getting this as an option. The conditioner.
Well, it was an option on mine. I was hoping to get the blush over the eyeshadow because I feel like I haven't really been using eyeshadow recently. So yeah, but I didn't want to pick it because I knew that I wanted the leave-in conditioner. So that's my story time.
Alright, go again because I feel like I went 2 times in a row.
Okay, my next item. Oh, whoops. I actually bought this. Whoopsie. I accidentally bought this.
How do you
see? Then I bought it on purpose, but I forgot. Mini lip glaze set, and it comes with 4 cute little lip pencils.
Oh. It looks like the caviar sticks by Laura Mercier.
But those are for your eyes, aren't they?
Yes, yes they are. Ooh. It's like a bubble gum.
It's sheer. Yeah, they're sheer.
That's pretty. How much is that? Or how much did you pay? Do you
I
know?
don't know. I don't really remember buying them. So I don't think they were that much. I think they were cheap. Hopefully. My next item is the Blossom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask. By Bloom Effects, I'm sorry.
So this,
$49.
Yeah. And you guys said it reminds you of poo.
The way it looks. That's what she said.
Why am I like 2 years old?
No, this gives you a dewy face. My nose ring's been bothering me all day.
Oh yeah, sure enough, in the picture it is like brown. It says the secret to fresh, dewy skin, dirt. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask, Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex, are straight magic for skin. Wear it for 20 minutes to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin and make large pores a thing of the past.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Maybe I'll do like an Instagram thing and.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm such a grown up.
Okay.
What's your next item?
Oh. Yeah, this one. Wow, look at that. It is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. It retails for $24. It is awesome because it has a felt tip and a pencil, like cold pencil liner. There's the felt tip side. And here's the cold pencil
I know,
side.
I'll definitely
It's
use that
super
side.
Yeah, I'll definitely use the felt tip side. So maybe once my felt's over, I'll give you my coal.
Okay. Okay, so my last item before the bag is the Dose of Colors. This is in Plum Queen Liquid Matte. Yeah. I said in there I'd be giving it to you. Because, like...
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah, you want to swatch it?
Can I?
Yeah.
You didn't even swatch the ones I got. I would put it on, but I'm wearing navy. Uh-oh.
It's fine. Oh, that looks pretty. Oh, I don't want it. I don't want it. Yeah, I can't do that dark. That, like, wigs me out. It looks really pretty on you, though.
Thank you. It's not, like, super purpley.
No, it's definitely not as dark as I expected it to be, but it's still a shade that will make me sweat profusely. Yeah, it looks good on you.
Thanks. Okay, my last item is still all over my face.
No, it's just red where you rubbed it.
My last item is the Galactic Jello Gloss Bomb. Bum, bum, bum. It's like chapstick. I already put some on. I don't know.
Is it comfortable? How much is it?
$18. Smell it though. It smells.
Ooh, it smells delicious. I want to eat
It
it.
reminds me of chapstick that I've had before.
And then, of course, this is what the little bag looked like, which is the exact same size.
Is it really?
It literally, it's just a different style.
One opens more.
Well,
Like,
yeah.
how open? Like my whole face can fit into it.
So, give me your thoughts on your bag.
Aha. It has the same cute wooden little doodad as well.
Yeah.
So that's great. Eyeshadow palette, that's cool, but it's just like another neutral palette. Like I don't think I'll specifically reach for it unless I'm like doing the thing where I'm trying to use all the palettes that I have. So yeah. I always love eyeliner. I almost had my mom with this one, but I really love eyeliner all the time. This is yours. This is cool. It's just basically chapstick, so
this stuff.
It smells really good. This, so excited, love it. Well, hopefully I love it. I need that. This, I've been getting into really masking a lot because, you know, quarantine, borantine, gotta find some cool things to do. Then obviously I like the stuff that I bought.
So did you, like, was this one of your favorite boxes?
No.
No?
I like it, but I'm not overwhelmed by it.
I have gamers in the house. If you guys hear screaming and squealing, it's gamers.
Yeah.
Just
It's just okay.
I mean, like I told you guys in my unboxing, that's mine.
I'm trying to compare.
I'm not giving up that mask. I don't think this is the worst box. I feel like it's definitely gotten better. So that I'm excited about. I wouldn't say it's my favorite Ipsy box. You guys know I love Boxycharm and they have been knocking it out of the park, I feel like. But I definitely feel like for me, this box, Ipsy finally stepped it up. So for me, I do feel like it was worth the $25, definitely. So I don't know, we'll see. And I actually like this box better than I liked my glam bag, which last month I liked my glam bag more.
I don't remember what I got in the glam bag.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Well, that's going to be all for today's video. Don't forget I have a giveaway going on our channel right now. I will try and pin that in the comment section down below for you guys. And we're going to hop off because we got our very last ever Sephora Play video to do. I'm so bummed. Yeah, there are no more.
Why?
April's the last month. I don't know. They're doing away with it. Did you check that email, huh?
No, never. Literally never.
Okay, guys, we're hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have, or we hope you have, a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. Bye.